today is Sunday and I'm excited. Are you excited too? Anyway, today, every Sunday Chef Ricardo do a special meal for the fans, them different ideas and different things that you can do at home, different kind of recipe. But today I did one of my nice and lovely guys. Welcome back. Today we're gonna make you a nice lovely Sunday dinner vegetable. And on Sunday, we do different kind of recipe and different ideas and stuff where you can do at home. But today I get just a medium cabbage, and all I do, this is what the cabbage look like. I just cut them into square, as you can see, quarters. And what we're going to do, we're going to boil the cabbage, and after we boil the cabbage, then we will fry off this and put on top of it. So guys, it's a very interesting recipe, and hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. New ideas, or you can do cabbage at home, and hopefully you will like it. So enjoy it. So in the meantime, to tell you what I got as veg, I got some carrots and also mixed pepper, tomato, and also spring onion, white onion, and garlic on the cabbage. So hopefully guys, you will just enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching. Nice. So basically right here, medium sized pot on the stove, and all you need to do is to put the cabbage in it like this. Make sure the water starts to boil and cover the cabbage, and we will show you how to boil the cabbage. Alright, so we're gonna boil the cabbage for about 5 to 6 minutes, and all you need to do, if you want to put some salt, you can put some salt in it. If you want to put some oil, you can put some oil, but I'm just gonna pop a little bit of olive oil in the water. And pinch of mixed herb. Make it bring a flavor to it, to the water. And boil it for about 6 minutes. Nice and lovely guys. So as you can see, this is a cabbage right here, and that's the way how it look. So now this is finished cook. As I can see, they get soft. And basically, I'm just gonna take them off the stove now, and we're gonna fry up the season. Alright? Nice and lovely. So, now is the season time. Medium sized frying pan on the stove. A little bit of oil. And then, put in all of your seasoning, your carrot, mixed peppers, and tomato, and your garlic, all of the season. So basically we're just gonna fry up this about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're gonna add the cabbage to it. Alright guys, enjoy the recipe. And today is what? Sunday. I like to come out with some new ideas every Sunday. A little bit of coarse pepper. And also pinch of smoked paprika. And this is some vegetable season. You don't have to add these guys, it's just extra stuff I'm just adding to it to bring a flavor. Really nice, really nice. As you can see how this look. So basically what we're going to do now is to add the cabbage to it. Really nice. Let's use the veg and cover it. As you can see, Sunday vegetable dinner. Really nice. Let it simmer in that lovely flavor season for about a couple minutes. Look at that, guys. Amazing recipe. Seriously. This one is just something new on the block. Alright? And this one is from Chef Ricardo on the team. We work very hard to find good recipe and good stuff where we guys can use to make the fans them happy. As you can see. Really nice and easy recipe. And what we're going to do now is simple. Put a little bit of honey. Bring in a nice lovely flavor to it. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished. I don't need to go any further with this. Alright? We're going to share it out with some different stuff. But as you can see, guys, that's it so far. Looking lovely and nice. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And this is some Chef Ricardo on the team. And next idea how you can prepare cabbage at home. Nice and lovely, guys. As I can see, this is just a proper Sunday dinner recipe from Chef Ricardo. As I can see right there, that's the beautiful special curry chicken recipe which we're talking about right here. Look at that. Amazing recipe, guys. As you can see, hopefully guys like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming out for you. Stay tuned as we go.